Hello everyone. Today we are going to study application of differential equation. There are two types of examples in this topic. First, example based on variable separable method, and example based on linear differential equation. Before we start the example, first note that velocity is change in displacement, that is v equal to dx by dt, and acceleration is change in velocity, that is a equal to dv by dt. Now first example, the velocity of a particle is given by v equal to t square minus 60 plus 7. Find distance covered in 3 seconds. It is given that v equal to t square minus 60 plus 7. As we know, v equal to dx by dt, we put instead of v dx by dt, so it becomes dx by dt equal to t square minus 60 plus 7. We shift this dt to the right side, then it becomes dx equal to t square minus 60 plus 7 into dt. Here we separate the variable x and t to the opposite side. To solve this, we integrate both sides. Integration dx equal to integration t square minus 60 plus 7 into dt. After integrating, integration of dx is x, integration of t square is t cube by 3, 6 constant, integration of t is t square by 2, integration of 7 is 70 plus constant of integration c. Therefore x equal to t cube by 3 minus 3t square plus 70 plus c. Here this 6 by 2 becomes 3. To calculate this c, we know if particle is at rest, then displacement is 0. So we consider if t equal to 0, x is also 0. We put these two values in this equation 1, then we get c is equal to 0. So we put c 0 here. The equation becomes x equal to t cube by 3 minus 3t square plus 70. Now we have to find distance covered in 3 seconds. So we take at t equal to 3 seconds, x equal to 3 cube by 3 minus 3 into 3 square plus 7 into 3. We put t equal to 3 in this above equation. So after calculating this, we get x equal to 3 units. So the distance covered after 3 seconds is x equal to 3 units. This is the final answer. Next example, the acceleration of a particle is given by a equal to 3t square minus 60 plus 8. Find the distance covered in 2 seconds. It is given that v equal to 0, x equal to 0 at t equal to 0. Given a equal to 3t square minus 60 plus 8. We know that acceleration is change in velocity, therefore a equal to dv by dt, dv by dt equal to 3t square minus 60 plus t. Now we shift this dt to the right side, so it becomes dv equal to 3t square minus 60 plus 8 into dt. Now we integrate both sides because this is variable separable method. Integration dv equal to integration 3t square minus 60 plus 8 into dt. After integration of dv is v, 3 constant, integration of t square is t cube by 3, this 3 get cancelled, minus 6 constant, integration of t is t square by 2 plus integration of 8 is 8t. As we know, integration of k is kx, so like that integration of 8 is 8t plus constant of integration c1. To calculate this c1, we use initial condition. At t equal to 0, velocity is also 0. If we put these two values t and v in this equation 1, we get c1 equal to 0. We put this value of c1 in equation 1, therefore v equal to t cube minus 3t square. This 6 by 2 means 3t square plus 8t. As we know, velocity means dx by dt, so we put instead of v dx by dt here, right side same, t cube minus 3t square plus 8t. Again we shift dt to the right side, it becomes dx equal to t cube minus 3t square plus 8t dt. Here we separate these two variables dx and dt to the opposite side. Now integrate both sides. After integration, we get integration of dx is x, integration of t cube e t raised to 4 upon 4, integration of t square is t cube by 3. Here also we cancel these 3. Integration of t is t square by 2 and this 8 is constant plus constant of integration c2. Now again we calculate this c2 by taking condition at time t equal to 0, displacement is also 0, so t equal to 0 and x equal to 0, we put these two values in equation 2, so we get c2 is also 0. Now we put this c2 in equation 2, we get x equal to t raised to 4 upon 4 minus t cube plus 4t square. Now we have to find distance covered in 2 seconds, so we consider at t equal to 2 seconds, x equal to, we put t equal to 2 in above equation, 2 raised to 4 by 4 minus 2 cube plus 4 into 2 square. After solving it, we get x equal to 12 minutes. Let us solve another example. A particle starting with velocity 6 meter per second has an acceleration 1 minus t square meter per second square. When does it first come to rest and how far it has traveled? The acceleration is given in the example 1 minus t square meter per second square. Therefore, we write a equal to 1 minus t square. As we know, acceleration is change in velocity. Therefore, we write dv by dt equal to 1 minus t square. Now we shift dt to the right side, then dv equal to 1 minus t square into dt. Here we separate the two variables dv and dt to the opposite side. To solve this, we integrate. Integration of dv is v, integration of 1 is t, integration of t square is t cube by 3 and constant of integration is c1. In this example, it is given that a particle starting with velocity 6 meter per second. So we take initial velocity 6 meter per second and at the starting time is t equal to 0. So at t equal to 0 and v equal to 6, if we put these two values in equation 1, we get c1 equal to 6. So we put c1 equal to 6 in this above equation. We get v equal to t minus t cube by 3 plus 6. We know that a particle come to rest, then velocity becomes 0. So we put v equal to 0 in this equation 2. We get zero equal to t minus t cube by 3 plus 6. We shift minus t cube by 3 to the left side, then it becomes t cube by 3 equal to t plus 6, t and plus 6 as it is. Now we multiply 3 to the right side, then it becomes 3t plus 18, and this 3t plus 18 again shift to the left side. So the equation is t cube minus 3t minus 18 equal to 0. To solve this equation, we use the calculator. Press mode 3 times, then choose equations 1 and select the degree 3. After solving, we get t equal to 3. We have to use this t equal to 3 to find how far it has traveled. Now next, in this equation 2, instead of v, we take dx by dt. So it becomes dx by dt equal to t minus t cube by 3 plus 6. Again shift dt to the right side and integrate both sides. We have to write integration of t is t square by 2, integration of t cube is t raised to 4 by 4, and this 3. So multiply 3 into 4, it becomes 12, plus integration of 6 equal to 60. We write this in the next page. So x equal to t square by 2 minus t raised to 4 by 12 plus 60 plus c2. Now at time t equal to 0, displacement is also 0. So we put x equal to 0 and t equal to 0 in this equation 2. We get c2 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to t square by 2 minus t raised to 4 by 12 plus 60, and this c2 is 0. So at t equal to 3 seconds, we put t equal to 3 in this above equation. We get 3 square by 2 minus 3 raised to 4 by 12 plus 6 into 3. After solving this, we get x equal to 15.75 meter. This is the final answer.